Hello and welcome to weeks 2 and 3 combined of the Boxer conversion. It's a combined video because we've been at the motor show, we've been away in the camper van for 4 days and we had to get the Caddy Maxi MOT'd, so progress is not so far ahead as I'd planned at this point, but we are making nice progress. The plywood floor is actually in quite good condition, so I decided to reuse the wood. It was a bit dirty in places, so we gave it a good sand to prepare it. Then we cleaned the floor of the van and the walls with alcohol, and then started to screw the battens in place, and then started to fit the floor insulation in place. So I was doing that whilst Arlene started to apply the sound deadening material. We were doing this in the evening. It was dark, it was wet, so the lighting's not as good as it could be. So I completed installing the battens, screwing them all in place, and then I started to actually lay the insulation on the floor with some cross members just to strengthen everything. So I completed the insulation on the floor, laid the plywood flooring in place just to get a good look at it. There's still a little bit of preparation to be done to the plywood floor before it's screwed in place, but then we moved on to actually completing the sound deadening in the inside of the vans. So did the walls, did the roof, did above the cab and the wheel arches. Then cleaned the lower cavities to complete it the next day. So this is it in the daylight. The floor's almost complete, all the sound deadening is complete. I've left some spaces for windows in the side door and in the back door. So I've got the infills to insert in the floor where the cargo lashing points were, and then just to screw it down to complete it. So next steps will be the wall insulation, roof insulation, laying the floor, and then starting the electrical layout. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in week 4.